Hello fellow traders, I'm here to do an update on the trade and the VIX. Last time I posted a video we were around here. Maybe the cursor doesn't show, but I'm trying to show it's 9:26 on the 26th. I got in earlier, but it bounced up. It was a good trade. I almost got out here when we failed to take out this reversal, but since I listened many times and I made this mistake not to trade just price alone, I stayed in the trade and got out here because we kind of touched the reversal or 2080. It was like a few ticks, but you know, seeing this is VIX, I'm like, I'm gonna get out. It did kind of move down a bit, but then bounced back because this one took out the high of the 27, was a turning point. So this was up again, and the indicators were not turning. So did I get out faster? Yeah, I took the profits, correct. I got into shorting VIX. Again, I got in a bit too early, but I'm happy with the trade, so I'm expecting to go down at least until the 8th. Let's see how we close the week though, because on the week, as you can see, the indicators are kind of crossing and about to bounce. If we kind of take out this high 1939, then this one will be an up. What's interesting is, and you know, this happens I guess many times, this was not a turning point. It was not, I didn't draw it. If you see in the last video, it just appeared out of a sudden, and I'm like, what's happening? This is when Israel attacked, I guess, Iran attacked Israel, whatever, it's conflict. So it appears out of nowhere. So these things happen. You cannot predict them. You just follow and draw your charts, and you know, on the hourly, it looks 4 hours, 1 hour. Hey, who knows? Maybe I did it wrong, and when we go back and bounce and take out the weekly, who knows? I'm expecting a move down, so that's why I made the trade. But we can see a bounce all the way to 23.79. We do have a bullish at 18.07. Let's see if we close about this one as well. Happy trading. Remember, this is just an opinion. I'm basing it on AI done by a big company. That's for the ones who don't follow me. And I do kind of try to teach as much as I learn from this, because when I teach, I learn more stuff, and then I can hold myself accountable. I do have that subscription just because it's not my data. I pay for it, so kind of try to keep it as private as possible. Alright, good luck.